Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time being here, please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll see when I upload videos. So for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for your support and welcome back. So you all, today I'm going to do something different. As you can see, I basically credit this to my YouTube auntie, Miss Jean G. So go follow her. But she did a video pertaining to covering up, like, fresh retightening and everything. And so since I just retightened my hair, I do have a lot of parts and everything. Plus my hair is thin. So I decided to do this. I didn't do it exactly the way that she did because I had to use what I had. My bad, auntie. But we're going to see how it turns out. Stay tuned.
The next day,
Here we are, and you're gonna see it first. So, ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. So, yeah, while I'm doing this, though, I wanted to go ahead and take this time to shout out a few people who have been on my YouTube. We've developed these relationships and things like that, and I just wanted to take the time to shout them out and everything in no particular order. Okay, so first, again, to my YouTube auntie, Miss Jean G. She's from South Carolina as well. Miss Lenny Love, simply because she does support me on my YouTube page, but also I asked a question and someone finally answered it. I was like, how do you zoom in or whatever? Because y'all know I'm doing this stuff from my phone until I decide I want to buy a camera. And so she said, how about this? Turn your phone to the side, I mean, the long way, and record that way. That's the way I'm recording right now, and it seems to work. So it looks a little better and stuff to me anyway. But thank you for that tidbit and everything. So that's what I'm doing. And to Evie the author, I know I shouted her out in another video, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for being so honest. You know, she came into my DM and everything, and she has a book out and everything. She sent me some cute little decorations for my hair that I'm looking forward to using one day. And she also wrote this cool book too, so I'm not going to spoil it for y'all, but you know, hey, I'll leave it all in the description below. But you all check her out. And one thing I love about her is that she actually, you know, doesn't want to say anything negative on my YouTube page, but she will come direct to me in my DM on my Instagram. So if you all are not following me on Instagram and there are things you want to say to me, but you're afraid to like put it on the YouTube and you don't have any other way to actually contact me, just go ahead, follow me on Instagram, DM me. Believe me, I'm open, okay? And I love when you all give me your opinions and your suggestions and everything else. So I love it, okay? I welcome it. So shout out to her, and also to one of my, I say she's my friend. She is my friend, okay? She's in the UK somewhere, I think London, but for Lock's sake, and follow her as well. She has a nice YouTube page as well. They all do, so you know, make sure that you follow them. And of course, y'all know I love bright colors, so that's my girl, Miss Queen O. So shout out to her as well. And last but not least, but shout out to my sister Latanya. Yeah, I'll put all her information here. If y'all haven't started following her, please go to her channel and start following her. So this is how my hair looks right now. I'm taking everything out, okay? All right, and let's see what we're gonna work with, okay? Because you know I got to get it together. Y'all, I had to come back because let me tell you what. Look at this. Y'all, first and foremost, I didn't even think I could do this with my hair. So yeah, the girl, man, I'm using my camera as a the mirror. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I noticed that back here, the ones that I didn't actually roll last night, yeah, they stick it straight out basically. But y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh. That's all I'm doing. I think I would probably just pull, you know what I'm saying, just like you would if you had a regular roller set. But in my part in the middle, I thought I had curled my hair over that, but that is gorgeous. Okay, y'all. For real this time, I'm about to go get myself together, okay? But, ooh. Miss Chin, you got your niece on something right now. Ooh. I could actually grip it, y'all. Y'all know. Remember when my hair was like that short? Man, I couldn't think about rollers. But look at this. The growth. Oh, yes. It's growth. It's the growth for me. Y'all, let me stop crying. I'll be back. Enjoy these views. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until the next time, be blessed.